Allah Azza wa Jal, He says, يَدَعُ شَهْوَتَهُ وَطَعَامَهُ مِنْ أَجْلِي. He gives up his desire and food, meaning he gives up the luxuries and the enjoyments of this life. Min ajli, for my sake. Allahu Akbar. You need to live with this word during Ramadan. During the days of Ramadan, live with the word of ajli, for my sake. Feel that you're doing something for the sake of Allah. And you know what this means? It means that a person has preferred the obedience of Allah over the obedience of himself. Your nafs wants to eat and drink. It wants it. And Allah wants you to give that up. So you say to yourself, I'm going to prefer what Allah loves over what I love. Allahu Akbar. And this is why the reward of fasting was such a huge reward that we don't know what it is. And fasting, it means that you've detached yourself from the luxuries and enjoyments of this life. Food, drink, and sexual relations. These are the luxuries and enjoyments of this life. During the day when you give that up, you've detached yourself from the luxuries of this life. Meaning, where are you now? You're attached to Allah Azza wa Jal. You are closer to Allah and to the reward of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.